Start by removing the nut and bolt from the bottom of the end link and the nut from the top. If you have the standard end links, install the end with the boot to the sway bar. If you have disconnect end links, install the disconnect to the axle tab. One misalignment spacer goes on each side of the rod end. Adjust the threaded rod so your sway bar is parallel to the frame or slightly pointed up, with the weight of the vehicle on the axle and on level ground. To disconnect your end links, simply slide the locking collar up and remove. Installation is the same. This should be done on level ground.
For more information, head over to steinjager.com. Be sure to follow us on YouTube and Facebook to see more awesome stuff that we're working on. Thanks for watching.